opportunity to make up to $112 per sale plus recurring commission by promoting a new done-for-you PLR package in the highly lucrative niche, while helping your customers shortcut their product creation. Launch date and February 11th to 17th launch time and 9 a.m. Get your affiliate link now. Powered by WarriorPlus.com. Top reasons why you should promote this product. Earn up to $112 in commission per sale plus recurring. Earn 75% commissions on the front-end product, 50% commission through the rest of the funnel. Not only that, but you have the chance to earn recurring commissions and high-ticket commissions. This really is the full package. Evergreen product. This topic is evergreen and in high demand always, so you don't have to worry about the demand. Its demand will never end. A product people love. We take pride in the quality of our products. So be rest assured that your customers will be receiving a high-quality product that they will love. High apps and converting copy throughout the funnel. We have optimized all parts of the funnel to convert at the highest step possible. Expect high conversion rates on a high-quality product. Super low refunds. We are working day and night to deliver high-quality products to our customers. Therefore, refund rates are always low. We reciprocate. We always look after affiliates who support us. Give us your support and we'll support you big time. Check out this product in damp funnel. Complete package with full private label rights. This means your customers can sell it under their own name and generate instant profits in their online business. In this complete PLR package, your customers will receive PLR rights of high-quality ebook, videos, professionally written ready-made sales page, custom squeeze page, PSD Source Files, all the graphics they could possibly need to make this a success and much more. Check out our high-converting, very effective sales funnel that can generate you big commissions. Affiliates can make over $112 in commissions per sale with our awesome funnel. Front-end offer. The front-end offer includes the complete Biz-in-a-Box PLR package, which include premium quality guide, checklist, mind map, resource cheat sheet, high-converting sales page and damp thank you page, full set of professionally designed graphics, promotional email swipes, 10 social media viral images pack, exclusive lead magnet, professionally designed opt-in page, 10 articles for content marketing, license certificate and many bonuses. OTA 1- Gold Upgrade Plus bonuses. Another 9 modules of content including PLR videos plus bonuses. D-Sale, Gold Upgrade without bonuses. OTA 2- Step-by-step video training that shows customers how to brand a PLR video course the right way, from a private label rights expert to begin running their profit-pulling machine on autopilot. OTA 3- Done-for-you setup service. So if you want a piece of the action, all you need to do is grab your affiliate URL for the main front-end product and the rest of the flow will be auto-approved as soon as you've been approved by us. Then use the promo tools below and start making big bucks. Promotional tools. Email swipes. Get all your email swipes below. Grab your email swipes here. Affiliate link. Get your affiliate link now. Powered by WarriorPlus.com. Any further questions? We're happy to help. Just contact us via email or Skype chat. Close.